Okay, one more video to film and then I gotta head to my midwife appointment. And I also get to take off my makeup because it is so hot in here. I feel like my makeup is gonna melt off soon. Hey, what's up y'all? It's me, Jenny here. Today I wanna talk about my top 3 eye makeup removers. Now, if you wanna know what they are, please keep watching. So my number 1 makeup remover, and by any means this is not in any particular order, but this product right here, which is the Bioderma Sensibio H2O, took the YouTube world by storm many years ago, and there's a reason why it is still on my top list. So I have used a lot of eye makeup remover since that time, which was like many years ago. But I still keep coming back to this, and the reason why this is because it's actually gentle on your eyes, and all I do is soak my cotton pad in it, leave it on my eyeball or my eyelid for about, we'll say 20 seconds, and I rub it off and it comes right off. And all the mascara, whether waterproof or not, dissolves into the pad, which is why I like it. It's pretty much like water in a bottle because it doesn't irritate your eyes, and it's just like, it's gold. I'll be honest with you, it's gold. I wear the most waterproof of the most waterproof eye makeup sometimes if I have to, and this stuff takes it out. The next eye makeup remover that I don't hear a lot of people talk about, so I will talk about it, is the Clarins Instant Eye Makeup Remover for waterproof and heavy eye makeup. So, how did I come across this? It came to me as a Sephora sample, and I was sleeping over at Ender's house. We were dating at that time, we weren't living together. I brought the sample over because because I was coming off from a shift at work and I always wear heavy eye makeup. So I brought this over in its sample size, and when I used it, I knew it was amazing. For those of you who don't watch my Sephora hauls, which I do often because I love makeup, for those of you who don't know, I actually buy these in like 3s and 4s. I mean, I wear eye makeup almost every day when I go to work. I go to work 4 times a week now, and I'm also filming now pretty much every day, so I'm also wearing eye makeup. This stuff takes everything out in like 1 swipe. So what I do is that I put the cotton, or I soak this in the cotton pad. I lay the cotton pad on my eyelid for about 20 seconds, and in 1 swipe it all comes off. The only thing is with this is that when it takes everything off, it takes it off in chunks. So if you have sensitive eyes or you're a contact lens wearer, you sometimes may see mascara debris in your eye. So just be careful with this, but other than that, it takes everything off in 1 shot. And my last product, this is what I call laziness in a jar, because when I'm very lazy, this stuff works. This is the Uemura Anti-Skin Refining Oil. So I believe this is the original Uemura oil, and I know oil removers, oil face cleansers have been on the market for a long time. Every single beauty company has their own, but I always go back to this. So when I come home from work, or when I'm having a real lazy night and I don't really feel like taking off all of my makeup, you know, using like the eye makeup remover and washing my face, what I do is that I take 2 pumps of this, I rub it on my dry face, makeup on it, everything, for about, I believe it's about a minute, and it even takes off any mascara I have, so I have to rub it into my eyes. Be careful because it is an oil, and it also takes off my liquid lipstick. Then I rinse my face slowly with water, and the oil actually turns into a soapy substance, so it actually feels like you're rubbing your face with soap and not oil. This stuff does the trick, and I love this stuff. I am on now my 3rd bottle of this. I bought another one during the Sephora VIB appreciation sale, and I actually have it in my cart for the Sephora VIB Rouge sale coming up in about a few weeks. I love this stuff, and because it is an oil, when I do rinse off my face, it doesn't feel like all the moisture is taken away from my face. It actually feels like it hydrates my face. So sometimes, I'll be honest with you, when I'm really tired at night, I don't even put on any moisturizer because that's how moisturizing it is. And that's a lot for me to say considering I have oily skin. And there you have it. Those are my top 3 eye makeup removers. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, all down below. You can catch me on all my social media, which is right here. That's Facebook and Instagram. That's at kiss.jennie. That's kiss.jennie. Jennie with an IE. Or you don't have to click below to subscribe. You can click on my face here. If you want to catch me on my last video, you can click right here. I upload videos every Monday, Wednesdays, and Fridays, and I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye.